Arjuna Dairy. We have ordered the blue cold unit for our dairy for our product purpose. When we have got the product for our dairy, when we have installed blue cold unit, we have satisfied more and more by seeing our product how much in certain temperature we should maintain the temperature exactly we got with the blue cold unit, and we are satisfied more and more. And again, we need to purchase one more unit from blue cold. Thank you for blue cold.